model, 68 plate Ford Transit Connect 240 limited 1.5 automatic starts drives needs repair no VAT. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 133952. MOT, the 29th of October 2025. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120 PSS6H. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. This starts and drives fine but does not select 7th or 8th gear. We suspect the gearbox module is faulty, engine and everything else is good. If you know what you're doing, this will be a bargain. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after.